Hello guys, how are you? And happy Christmas as well. I'm doing great. Just that it was busy time, so we hardly go online. So you can see it's a Mohawk. The picture just popped up and then left. So this is how we're going to start. First, I count down the hair, and then I'm going to take the last one to the third line. Starting from the back, we count 3, and then we lock it on the third line. Not in a straight form, but in an angle form, like maybe going to the left or going to the right. But when you are doing it, you will leave the second line. You can see I'm holding the second line there. You see, I leave one in between the second line before I go to the third line. So please open your eyes well and then check. Sometimes you can also start straight from the back. So now the second line, I will also cross. If ever you take the first line and to the third line going to your right side, now on the second line you will take it to your left side. So that is how you're going to go, even with the arrangement. One right, one left, one right, one left. I've done Mohawk before, and it's on one of those videos that we were not having a clear pictures. There were no good lighting, so now that there is good lighting system, the lady asked for a Mohawk. Then I said let me take advantage of it, because it's gonna help someone out there. So let's watch and then see. So now after you do all those ones you wrapped around, first you have to count like how many you got when you did those arrangement, and then you choose the other side to start. You can also start from even the right side or the left side depending on how you are going. If ever, let's say you want to end at the person's side, 100% side, then you have to also start at the side. So if you start at the right side, you have to end at the left side on top of the person's forehead. If you are also going to the middle straight, you start in the middle as well and then you go straight. So you can see that is what is happening here. So me, I want it straight, and then when I get in front, I will still make it to go on the left side, because you can see she has a lot of hair and then a long one also, plus the head is small. She is a short lady, has a long hair, has a thick hair, has a lot of hair. So you can see that is a crazy one. So it's going to be a lot of it. That is how she said she wanted to be on the forehead, a lot of. So guys, let's watch and then see how it's going to end. You can see when the picture popped up, that was a bunch of hair in front. So as you can see, I'm now finishing the hair that we arranged from the first to the third, and then the second to the third. So we are now finishing that hair. So that is how you're going to do one right, one left. I think I've done the one that I even did the last time ago. It was 2 right, 2 left, 2 right, 2 left. That is how I did it. So this one I was doing it one because I saw the amount of hair that I have. If ever I do 2 right, 2 left, I'm going to get in front, and then it's like I have a lot of them there. So please watch it very carefully, because with this one my commentary has already ended. I'm going to have the commentary again around when we get to the forehead side. So as you can see, if ever you are tying it, make sure you push it to the the right place. Those ones that we started from the beginning, our first crisscross, one to the left, one to the right, the first one that we did, are all left under the hair. So when you are going, you'll be using those hair back again. So please check what I do. If I leave it there, I don't wrap it all. You understand? I don't wrap it all. So now I'm taking, and then I use the hair inside. Check what I'm doing here. You see? And then add it to the time that the amount that I need will be okay for me to use. Then I wrap it and then go and lock it at the right side. At the left side. It's the same way that I will be doing till I'm done. So guys, please, I know Mohawk, there are a lot of people who can do Mohawk. Those my brothers and sisters in the other country like State and Europe, and maybe me, I'm in South Africa. So this is how in South Africa we do our Mohawk, right? So I know other country like States, Europe, Kenya, and I don't know, maybe West African side also, they have their own style of doing their Mohawk. So here, this is how we do our Mohawk in South Africa. And it makes the arrangement easy. So before we were doing it like we wrap everything up, and then after we arrange them. So it's kind of like, I don't know who brought the idea that no, you can wrap and then at the same time to arrange it, because that one reduces the hair becoming too big, like going too high on the person's head. This side, if you do something and then it goes too high, they complain that they don't want it because it's going to capture too much attention on the street, and they don't want that. They just want something that is flat and nice, and they want their compliment to be like, you look good, that is a nice hairstyle, not something like, yo, your hair is too high, how do you sleep, your hair is too high, how do you do that, your hair is too high. You know what, those questions are there, definitely. You know, this locks that the lady is having, she has been having it for like almost 8 to 9 months, 8 to 10 years. Yeah, 8 to 10 years, sorry. So you can see she has experience. If it's itching, she knows how she's going to handle it. There is this thing that they sell. It's like a pin, but a little bit thick. So if it's itching, they put it in and then scratch themselves with it. So I don't know about other countries, but however, they don't keep the hair on for a long time, as like 3 months. Even if it's 3 months or 1 month, some of them can't handle it. So some of them only do their hair like 2 to 3 weeks. They take the hairstyle out and then wash at home, wait for another week or maybe another 2 weeks, then they come again for another hairstyle or another treatment. So mostly that is what happened, and it depends on your pocket. So now I'm showing this side. You can see I've already gone this side. So now I'm going to take it to that side again. So I did 2 of them this side, right? 2 of them this side, because I want to take it to the left side. So I took the one from the right side, 2 of them. I'm going the third one now. So after the third one, there is something that I'm going to show you here, because I'm going to use the same side to bend my hands and then go. There is this other video that I use my doll to do it. I posted it. If ever you haven't watched it, you can go to my YouTube channel and then watch. It's there. So you see I'm pushing the hair to that side, and then I wrapped it a little bit here. Forgive me guys, it's like I lost the camera, but I didn't finish. Yeah, so now you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna turn hair to that side and then look. So now that is how we are going to turn, and then after turning we will turn again. You see, if ever you check the picture, if if ever you check the picture that just popped up now, you can see. So as you are doing this, you will leave one in between there, and then you wrap it, and then you go. So for me, the beginning, I didn't even remember that I have to put one in between those two that I did. But I'm going to make a plan for that and then make it work, because I know what I'm doing for myself. You understand? But I'm telling you that. So now you can see I just left one in between, and then I'm going to lock it that side. So there's this video, like I was saying, I did it on my doll some time ago, on Facebook, on YouTube. You can go and check. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's free to subscribe. Please just subscribe and then watch most of the videos. Like I said some time ago, you see I've left another one there, right? I've left another one there. So that is what I'm going to do. And then after this one, I'm going to come back inside, like I'm going to the same place that I started this way that I'm doing. So after locking, you see I'm wrapping another one, coming back. See, I'm pushing some of the hair so that it can help me lock the hair. That is the plan that I was making. So now there we go. I'm coming back to where I started this thing in front. So please check it very well. It's simple and easy. So like I was saying, those that I haven't subscribe, and then please guys, try and then share more of the video on Facebook for me, please. Those that are following me on Facebook, on YouTube, please share, comment and like, if it's gonna help you. That is the only way that you are also helping me out, please guys. And then share my link to others to also subscribe or like or comment as well, or follow as well, please guys. I really need that from you guys. Anyway, we are almost done. So you can see the one that I left in between there is the one that I'm using to lock or hold this ones that I'm doing. So when it's like that, it means we have secured. When we're done, we're not going to sew it too much. We just sew a little bit there, and then we are done. You understand? So in the olden days, I think when I started doing locks, when we wrap everything there and then after we arrange, we sew a lot. Whenever you do that, it's like after the needle will be sewing all over the hair, the wool and the needle. You have to sew from down to up. So it's kind of like a lot of work when you are sewing, because that is something that takes time. So when you do it this way, it's like you're just going to sew the place that you will finish only. Then you are done, because the rest is already being secured. So that is the last one. And then I tie it around, I tie it up with my wool. After that, we sew it, and then we are done. So guys, thank you for watching. Please, like I said, share, like, and then help us grow. That is how we do. Please. I know there are a lot of videos people are requesting. Like I said, I can't control the customers on what they want. If my doll get back, I'm going to do them anytime that I'm sitting down doing nothing. But now that my doll is not back, I can only do the tutorial on customers' hair. Even that one I have to ask permission. Not everyone that wants to be on social media. So I ask permission. If they agree, and then the picture that the hairstyle that they choose is what I'm going to do. So if you are lucky and then they choose what you send me, then I will be able to do it, and then you'll get it. And then I know it's gonna help everyone. So this is how it looks like, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.